this idea. Both testified against commercial spaceflight in the way that you're developing it, and I wonder what you think of that.
I was very sad to see that because those guys are, those guys are heroes of mine, so it's really tough.
Speed 290 meters per second downrange distance.
Oh God! Oh God! No! No!
Pedal to the metal here. Like, I mean, each month that passes, it's literally costs us tens of millions of dollars. I mean, we need to appreciate that.
Another setback for a private space program exploded during a test fire at Cape Canaveral yesterday morning. Just look at that explosion right there. Just incredible.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off.
There are people who've been in the rocketry business for decades that you don't know what you don't know.
使用火箭的可回收是邪路。他吹牛说火箭的可回收项目搞成功以后呢，会导致人类发射火箭成本下降70%。
我首先告诉你，马斯克一定不懂投资技术。他卫星的这个实验是他自己，但是他现在有多少客户，我有多少客户，你知道吗？马斯克实际上对人工智能，我不认为他真的懂。马斯克实际上在这个运载火箭上是投机取巧，然后美其名曰这是一个技术创新。
但凡有的我都有啊，我都会啊。我有的他都不会啊。马斯克为什么不做？
He's a fucking dumbass.
I think he's an idiot. I think he's an idiot too.
It's difficult.